So I've decided to just leave this as a caramel ice cream. Okay, I'm not going to add anything to it again. So this is going to go into my freezer for like 24 hours. Okay, so this has gone into my freezer, so I'll go back to do some others. All right, so here I have raspberry jam and strawberry, so I'm going to be mixing. So So again, so a little bit more. So this goes into my freezer. Let me just add some chunks of this. So into the freezer it goes. So another one. So plenty ice cream here. For this one, I'm going to be adding Oreo cookies. So again, I add some to it. Okay, so this is the Oreo cookie one. Okay, so this is going to go into the freezer. Let me bring it down so you see it clearly. Can you see? Yummy, isn't it? Okay, then see you for the last one. Two little containers like this. So just plain vanilla. It's actually so yummy. I've been licking my hand. I don't just want you to see. So, just for you to see, plain vanilla, okay? It's awesome, beautiful. You need to try yours. Okay, so after 24 hours, I will be back to show you what it would look like. And I'm going to be scooping it with my ice cream. So this is something you would need. Your ice cream spoon, your ice cream scoop, okay?